Looking for a kitchen appliance that can do it all? Meet the Instant Pot 7-in-1 Multi-Use Pressure Cooker. This powerhouse combines 7 cooking functions in one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Save time and space in the kitchen with the Instant Pot. With 13 customizable smart programs, cooking your favorite dishes has never been easier. You can pressure cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Or take your time with slow cooking for those classic recipes that need a little extra love. Cleanup is a breeze with fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid and accessories. Safety is also top of mind, with over 10 safety features including overheat protection and a safe locking lid. Perfect for growing families, you can cook meals for up to 6 people. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot with a triply bottom ensures even cooking every time. The free Instant Brands Connect app provides access to new recipes and tips, available for both iOS and Android. Ready to cook smarter and faster? Check out the link in the description to get your Instant Pot today.